Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokile. In this video, I am going to be transcribing and sounding more word examples for these mixed sounds, okay? Mixed sounds. I have this sky, sky, beginning with the consonant S, which gives the sound S. I have moon, moon, and this begins with the consonant M. Sun, this begins with the consonant S again, then the star, and this sound gives S, S, and this letter C gives the sound K, K. It will change to K in sound, and this is A. This letter A will change to A in sound, and this is B in breeze, this is W in wind, this is R in rain, this is W in water. The consonant W gives the sound W, 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 W. Okay, follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe the words one after the other before sounding them. I'm going to make my symbols big because of the coupling. This is sky. You can write it like this. This A, or simply your small letter A. They are both correct. And this one is moon. This is sun. This is star. And this is, let me just make it cloud, the same thing. And this is air, very simple, right? And this is breeze. And this is wind, and this is rain. I'm making my symbols very big because someone complained that she wasn't seeing them, and this is water. I'll close them up and then we sound them together. Good. Sky, sky, moon, moon, sun, 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 star, star, cloud, cloud, air, air. Let me make this large bigger. Air, breeze, breeze, wind, wind, rain, rain, rain. Sorry, I tried to make it big and it's now looking rain, rain, water, 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 water. Let me go over it just once again, once more. Sky, moon, sun, star, cloud, air, air, breeze, breeze, wind, wind, rain, rain, water, water. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. In my next video, I'm going to be transcribing word examples for the consonant letter F. Thank you so much. The Lord bless you.